Hey everybody, it's Murph and I'm here at Scaling New Heights, and Insightful Accountant is visiting with several of the vendors from the exhibit floor. And today I'm with Robert Eppele with Zaptiva. And Robert, I'm
Yes,
going to
Murph.
ask you to tell our audience, what does Zaptiva do?
Well, thank you, Murph. Zaptiva is a workflow automation solution that enables the processes that today are not automated in an organization to take that data from one place and move it into another, but all the while transforming the data in between so that it becomes a meaningful output into the general ledger or subledgers, and then be able to return information back to the data source.
All right. And what makes Zaptiva different from other solutions that do pretty much the same thing?
Okay, well, the good news is there's not many players in the space right now, but there are some organizations that are at a very enterprise level. So very large, very complex, and the price point represents that as well. What we've done is we've focused on bringing this down into the QuickBooks world and the QuickBooks Online world, desktop, so that it's affordable for organizations that really run the backbone of the country as far as business is concerned, and small operators can use the product.
Okay. So, I assume that you all partner with the various pro advisors and accountants and business consultants and bookkeepers that are here
Yep.
to provide your solution to their clients.
Correct.
And tell us a little about that partnership arrangement.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of background. I have been in the ERP space for at least 30 years, and I have had experiences with the Intuits, the Sages, and NetSuites and things like that of the world where they kind of played with our livelihood, the commissions. And as a part of the whole design of the partnership program we have decided to rip that absolutely down to the bone and make it so advantageous for anybody to actually refer customers, participate with customers, and be rewarded for that process. On average, our partners earn 30% recurring revenue per year based on what they've sold.
Okay. And I don't know how many what I'll call contacts you've seen thus far here at your booth, but do you have an idea about the trends or what seems to be going on and what the real interest is of the people who are here?
Yeah, well, I'll tell you one thing. The buzzword around here is AI and automation, right? And people are very interested in learning how the technology supports their practices so that they can improve efficiencies, so they can actually become effective while not having to overburden themselves with additional teammates or even for that matter, adding on different solutions that may only do a specific answer. So AI, as we heard from one of the other publishers here today, got a lot of attention. And this is where the world is rotating for accountants. We have to adopt this, or else something will actually happen to us eventually into the future. And as long as we remain relevant using these technologies, that's the most important thing.
Great. Well, I want to thank you for being here today, and we'll have an overlay of contact information.
Wonderful.
But again, we appreciate you taking time to visit with us.
And I appreciate it.
All
Murph.
right.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thanks.